Are you looking for peace of mind at your doorstep? Look no further. With the Blink Video Doorbell, your home's entrance is always within your control. Check out the link in the video description to learn more and get your Blink Video Doorbell on Amazon. Your home is in your hands.
There was more drama for Strictly Come Dancing today as Amanda Abbington broke her silence to claim that Giovanni Pernis was abusive to her. Graziano Di Prima is now battling further allegations that he was aggressive towards Zara McDermott. Meanwhile, a female dancer now faces allegations of bullying as the crisis continues to engulf the hit BBC show. The scandal first made headlines. Graziano Di Prima, 30, was axed from the upcoming series last month over reports he verbally and physically abused his celebrity partner Zara McDermott, 27, during last year's competition. Speaking in her first interview since quitting Strictly Come Dancing in October, Amanda Abbington, 50, said Giovanni's behavior was unnecessary. Amanda abruptly left the BBC show citing personal issues and hasn't been seen on screen since, even quitting social media last month in the wake of her former dance partner's sacking. Giovanni, 33, was suspended while a BBC probe is underway over allegations made by Ms. Abbington and two other former celebrity partners. Meanwhile, more shocking details of Graziano's aggressive treatment of Zara have since been revealed. Speaking to The Sun, a source claimed the dancer got frighteningly angry at the former Love Island star. They said, Zara ran to the toilets and locked herself in. He chased after her and was screaming abuse. He was aggressive and called her nasty names. It was really scary. The source also claimed his aggressive outbursts could be heard through doors as she screamed at the 27-year-old. It is not just male dancers who are now facing allegations of abusive behavior. A former dancer has claimed tonight that a currently unnamed female Strictly dancer screamed in his face and berated him off camera. The Daily Mirror reports that the household name's allegations do not include physical abuse. A source said, the man in question felt very much victimized by the behavior of his Strictly partner. He alleges that on several occasions she flew into a real fury when he couldn't get the steps right, and on one occasion screamed full in his face. They rode every single day. In an interview with The Sun, Amanda said, I found Giovanni's behavior unnecessary, abusive, cruel and mean. I couldn't sit back and let him do that to other people. She continued, I had to think long and hard about making a complaint because I knew the backlash I would get. But I would not have been able to live with myself for future people going on that show. It's insane what has happened to me, with the death threats and backlash. I know the BBC have known about his behavior for years. People had complained about him and flagged his behavior to producers in the past and nothing was done. It wasn't an isolated experience with me. I should never ever have danced with him. Mail Online has contacted the BBC and Giovanni's representative for comment. Sources previously claimed Amanda, Ranveer Singh and Laura Whitmore had an emotional summit, where they compared notes about their time working with Giovanni on the show. Amanda quit Strictly due to the personal reasons before reports she had demanded footage of their rehearsals after the experience in the competition left her with PTSD. Meanwhile, Ranveer complained about Giovanni to producers back in 2020, during their time on the show, while Laura said she cried every day and felt uncomfortable while dancing with him in 2016. The BBC are currently believed to be scouring through 9 years of Strictly footage to confirm or deny claims from 3 celebrities. It is claimed 3 past contestants are compiling dossiers to hand to their £700 an hour lawyers before sending it to BBC bosses. Giovanni is working with combative legal firm Schillings and is expected to put forward transcripts to prove he acted fairly. A source close to the trio previously told Mail Online, they are very unhappy with the way the BBC are handling this. It's one thing saying they are standing by him, but they feel as if Giovanni is being promoted and pushed center stage in a bid to make them go away and keep quiet. It's a kick in the teeth. One of the reasons they wanted to meet up was to try and work on a way forward because they have no intention of just backing down and letting this just fade away. All 3 have been impacted in different ways by what happened and they've agreed to speak a guy.